Hey everyone, welcome back to Jarrett the Journeyman, the place where DIYers, homeowners, and handyman get the scoop on tackling home projects. Today we're diving into something serious, electrical work. Look, I get it. You want to flex those DIY muscles, you want to save a few bucks, or even try to impress the spouse or friend. But here's the deal, electricity does not mess around. So I'm hitting you with 8 brutal truths about DIY electrical projects that you need to know before you grab your strippers and get after it. Stick around because these tips could save your project or even your life. So let's get started.
Hey guys, it's Kane. Hey, I've been looking through my YouTube information and trying to figure out where everybody's from. So, if you would, drop me the name of the state you live in so I can see where you guys are at. Also, wait till the end of this video and I got some DIY stuff that I found throughout my years of electrical work. So you guys want to stay tuned to the end of there. Also, in one of those clips, those shoes that you see in the ambulance, those are mine. That was me taking a ride in the ambulance. So, enough with me. Let's get back to the videos.
Brutal truth number 1. Turn the power off to the device you're working on. I know, Captain Obvious, right? But you'd be shocked, pun intended, how many people skip this step because they're in a hurry or think, oh, it's just a quick fix. Nope, electricity doesn't care about your schedule. Head to your breaker box, find the right circuit, flip it off, and double check it's dead. Trust me, there's a difference between a successful project and a trip to the ER. Truth number 2. Always check to see if there's power on the device you're working on, even after you've turned it off. Breakers can be mislabeled, someone might flip it back on, or gremlins might be living in your walls. Grab a voltmeter, cheap one works fine, and test those wires. If it beeps or lights up, you still have juice. Don't assume it's safe. Know it's safe. Truth number 3. Take note how you're disconnecting a device. Before you start yanking wires out like it's a spaghetti fight, snap a quick picture or sketch a diagram. Which wires where? Why was it looped or straight? Trust me, when it comes time to put it back together, your memory will thank you. Future you doesn't want to play guess the wire with live electricity. Truth number 4. No neutral wires on switches. Do not install a neutral wire, the white one, or on any switch. Switches are for hot wires, usually black or red, not neutrals. The neutral's job is to complete the circuit back to the outlet or fixture. Do not switch it. Hook it up wrong can fry your setup or even worse. If you're unsure, look up the switch type. Some smart switches are exceptions, but the standard ones, keep the white wires out of there, please. Truth number 5. Don't cut the ground prong off the cord. Never cut the ground prong off a cord to make it fit into an old 2-prong outlet. The third prong, the ground, is your safety net. It's there to prevent shocks or fires if something goes wrong. If your outlet's outdated, replace it with a grounded one or call a pro. Don't hack your way to a fire hazard just to plug in your new gadget. Truth number 6. Wire receptacle correctly. When installing a new receptacle, black goes on the gold screw. The white wire goes on the silver screw. It's like a secret handshake. Get it wrong and the club won't let you in. Black is your hot wire and white is your neutral, and mixing them up can short your system out or zap you. Oh, and the bare copper wire? It's a ground. That goes on the green screw. Simple, but brutal if you skip it.
Know when you're over your head.
Look, I'm all for DIY pride, but if you're starting to get tangled mess of wires, you're Googling why my walls are sparking, it's time to tap out. Call electrician. There's no shame in staying alive and keeping your house unburned. Ego's great, but safety's better. Truth number 8. Don't upgrade a breaker that keeps tripping. A tripping breaker is screaming something is wrong. Too much load, too short, or bad wiring. Slapping a bigger breaker in doesn't fix the problem. It hides it until your wires overheat and your house smells like a barbecue. Find the root cause, unplug the stuff, check connections, or get help. Bigger isn't better here. And there you have it. 8 brutal truths to keep your DIY electrical project safe and successful. Electricity is no joke, but with the right know-how, you've got this. If you like this video, smash the like button, subscribe to Jarrett the Journeyman, and ring the bell so you don't miss any more tips like these. Got a shocking DIY story? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear it. Stay safe out there, and I'll check you in the next one. Enjoy these screw-ups that I've found throughout my career.